Hello, my kindred spirits. You can call me Cordelia. And here in this Confessions of Cordelia Shirley video, I will be showing you the simplest way of making raspberry cordial inspired by Anne of Green Gables. I can't wait to share this recipe with you. And if you guys love my t-shirt, be sure to get your very own in my Teespring store, which I have left a link to in the description box below. There are multiple colors and sizes available for this t-shirt, and I just thought the little saying inspired by Anne Shirley was quite hilarious. Anyway, so if you would like your own, totally check out my Teespring store below, and let's get right into this recipe. First, you're going to rinse 4 cups of raspberries. The raspberries can be fresh or frozen. If you use frozen raspberries, you'll have to allow them to thaw. I used frozen raspberries and it took around 30 minutes for them to thaw. Second, you're going to put the 4 cups of raspberries in a blender, then add 1.5 cups of water and blend till smooth. Third, you're going to dump the blended berries into a mesh strainer, which you will need to have sitting over one of your large bowls. Fourth, use your large rubber spatula to press the berry juice through the strainer. I started out with a potato masher and it just wasn't as effective as the spatula, so I definitely recommend using a rubber spatula. Fifth, add 1/2 cup of water to the blended raspberries in the strainer. You can actually do this right after you dump the berry juice into the strainer. It helps to have that extra moisture when you're trying to press out all of the juice. Quick tip, when you get towards the end of the juice, the raspberry seeds start to block the strainer holes, so just scrape the seeds out of the way with your spatula and let the juice seep through. Sixth, you're going to want to strain the berries at least 2 more times, clean the mesh strainer between each strain, and use your 2 other bowls to catch the juice. I actually did end up straining an extra time, so a total of 4 times. I just rinsed out one of my already used large bowls and strained the juice into it. You can do that, or you can just grab another bowl. Seventh, after your juice is smooth and seed-free, pour it into a pitcher and add 1/2 cup of lemon juice. Eighth, add 1.5 cups of sugar and stir. Ninth, add 5.5 cups of water to help thin out the juice, then stir. 10th, pour yourself a glass or mug of raspberry cordial and enjoy. The best part about this recipe is you can adjust it to your own preference and liking. If you want it sweeter, add more sugar. If you want it thinner, add more water. However you'd like to make your raspberry cordial. If you like this mug, it's available in my Teespring store. It's also available in several different colors, and the same is on t-shirts, bags, and other accessories, so definitely check that out in the description box below. There's a link to my Teespring store. You can see the shirt I had on earlier in this video, and the mug, and several other products I have that are Anne inspired, so be sure to check that out. I hope you enjoy your raspberry cordial, my kindred spirits. And do not forget to follow my blog, Confessions of Cordelia Shirley. The link to my blog is below, and that is where I will be sharing lots of different content, not just recipes and DIYs, but like things about Anne of Green Gables, things about my trip to Prince Edward Island, things about L. Montgomery, lots of fun, lots of Anne fandom going on. Please follow me on that blog. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you would like to have more DIY and recipe ideas for Anne of Green Gables. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video, my kindred spirits. Bye.